Hi, konnichiwa. This is Kira from Nihongo and Stuffs, and I'm going to run through the volition form, which is like saying let's do whatever instead of using masho. So, ikimasho, iko is just shorter, bit easier. You need it like everything else, but it's not just a shorter way of saying let's. You know, there's a lot of grammar uses volition form, so hopefully this video is going to help. First, we're going to do the u verbs into volition form. And what I've done here is I've put up our u sounds and our o sounds from the hiragana chart, and it'll just make it easier. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we need the verbs in their dictionary form, and we're going to take the last u sound and we're going to change it to its o counterpart. So in the case of iku, to go, so we're going to go iku is iko, so iko, and we're just going to put u at the end. Iko. To speak, hanasu, so we're going to go ha-na, we'll find su, so, so, to win, katsu, find su, to, kato, to press or to push, osu, su again, so, osu, to buy, kau, u being o, kao, and to help, tetsu dau, so tetsu da u o u, and that's your your u verbs. Okay, so the next part of volition form is changing your ru verbs, which are always really easy. So taberu, what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the ru, so it's going to be tabe, and then just add yo. Same with miru, to look, so mi, get rid of your ru, mio. Neru, to sleep, we're going to go ne, yo, u, and they're super easy and always nice. So this is the last bit of the volition form, so you have suru and kuru, so you have to do and to come. And you just have to know these ones really, so suru changes to shio, so like ben kyoshio, that's study, and then kuru becomes koyo, and that's it. Yeah, I feel like I say this every video, like I hope it made things easier, but it's true. I mean, that's the point. So yeah, questions, likes, subscribes, you know the drill by now, I think. So yeah.